Hello, good morning, welcome back to the NEET Express. Yesterday, how was the exam? I got the replies. Biology was easy and physics was quite tough. But what I want to say, just don't give up. Give your best one more time. Let's see and hope for the good. Now, we'll see the second part of plant tissue. In last part, we have seen a meristematic tissue, right? Now we'll see the permanent tissue. In permanent tissue, there are mainly two types: simple permanent and complex permanent tissue. Alright. Again, simple permanent tissue are divided into the three main types. Which are those? The first simple permanent tissue is parenchyma. The second permanent tissue is collenchyma. And the third and important tissue is sclerenchyma. Alright. So these are the three main types of simple permanent tissue. Complex again divided into the two types. One is xylem and another is phloem. Xylem again divided into the four different types. That is xylem parenchyma. Second one is xylem fibers. Third one is tracheids. Fourth one is vessels. And phloem again has four different types, but there is one more complex is there. We'll see when we'll study the phloem in detail. Okay. Phloem parenchyma. Phloem fiber, or you can say bast cells. Third, companion cell. And last one is sieve tube. Alright. Now we will study the parenchyma. What is mean the parenchyma and what is the role of simple parenchyma tissue or simple parenchyma permanent tissue. Permanent means they are non-dividing tissue. They never divides. They can divide, but whenever it is necessary, they can divide. So parenchyma itself in name, they contains chlorophyll. It's better to use black pen. Wait. Parenchyma, they contain chlorophyll. If they contain chlorophyll means obvious thing, they perform photosynthesis. If they performing photosynthesis means they are making food and they are storing the food. One more thing, they are living at maturity. They are living at maturity. Okay. Parenchyma means chlorophyll, they have chlorophyll. It means they have chloroplast. Chloroplast means they can perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means they can prepare the food and they can store the food. Alright. They are living at maturity. Means there is no deposition of any molecules inside the cell wall. They possesses normal cell wall. That's why they are living. Why we are calling living? Because there are few cells which are dead. That's why we are differentiating living, non-living. Next is Collenchyma. Collenchyma mostly help in strengthening the plant, means it provides the mechanical support. They provide mechanical support. And there is deposition of different molecules inside the collenchyma cell, like pectin, then cellulose and hemicellulose. These are the molecules which are deposited inside the cell wall. How they are deposited? Not all over the cell wall like this. If this is a cell, they are deposited like this on the corners. Okay, so they block that area but not all over the cell. That's why the transport still possible, but it helps in giving mechanical strength to the plant. And the deposition of pectin, cellulose, hemicellulose for collenchyma. And for sclerenchyma, always remember one sentence: they are dead at maturity. Dead at maturity means whatever I said, they are non-dividing. It is perfect example. Sclerenchyma, at any cost they never going to divide. But collenchyma, parenchyma, there are possibilities they can redivide. These are the different properties like differentiation, redifferentiation and redifferentiation. We are going to study in next period. Alright, sclerenchyma, they are completely dead at maturity. And one more thing, the deposition of lignin. There is deposition of lignin. Alright, or you can say lignified cell wall. In sclerenchyma, the deposition of that lignin like this. So all the transport shut down by deposition of lignin in and out of the cell wall. That's why after maturity this cell we call it dead, because all transport stop, nucleus and all the protoplasm will be gone. That's why we call it they are dead at maturity. I hope you understand the simple permanent tissue, 3 parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. In next lecture we'll see complex. In that complex we'll see the xylem and phloem in third period. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and share and like. Thank you.